Hello, friends. Welcome to Pooja's 5 Minute Talks. A man of non-violence. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, India. He became one of the most respected spiritual and political leaders of the 1900s. Gandhiji helped to free the Indian people from British rule through non-violent resistance and is honored by Indians as the father of the Indian nation. Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Gita, and the Bible were lifelong sources of inspiration for Gandhiji. The main reason why people were inspired by Gandhiji was his philosophy of non-violence. He used non-violence to free India from British. His manner of dressing shows us his unwillingness to use foreign products. He always told people to do their work on their own without depending on others. Mahatma Gandhi taught truth, that is Satya, non-violence, that is Ahimsa, welfare of all, that is Sarvodaya, and peaceful protest, that is Satyagraha. Gandhiji's purpose was to fight for the freedom of India from Great Britain using non-violence. He also wanted to advance the idea of satyagraha or passive resistance to help people from unjust impositions. The idea of satyagraha basically emphasized the power of truth and the demand to search for truth. The origin for satyagraha means insistence of truth. Thus, Gandhiji was against untruth and violence. Mahatma Gandhi summed up his philosophy of life with the words, "My life is my message." The principles of Mahatma Gandhi are valid and eternal. Not all the principles are valid today, but many of them are still followed and valued by most of the people. Satya or truth still holds enough respect in our society as people respect those who always stay with truth. Mahatma Gandhi was a man of great character. He always favored the truth and honesty. He condemned violence, kept himself away from the materialistic desires, and walked a path of high moral. Mahatma Gandhi was a transformational leader, meaning that he was a leader who leads by example and empower his followers to make them feel better. A leader can do many things in order to be a transformational leader. Mahatma Gandhi was a true leader of masses. His life and teachings were great source of inspiration for the today's youth. He was such an icon for the youth that showed the spirit of glory and way to freedom for Indians. His weapons, satyagraha and non-cooperation, are still relevant and are followed by many. He encouraged the people of India to fight for freedom and bring peace and harmony to the nation. Gandhiji himself was a peace-loving human being and detested any kind of violence. He did not believe in wars and conflicts as solutions. It is these qualities that Gandhiji exhibited that inspired people to follow him. His inspiring qualities were faith in self. In a gentle way, you can shake the world. Resistance and persistence. First, they ignore you, then, they laugh at you, then, they fight you, and then you win. Forgiveness. The weak can never forgive. Learning from mistakes. Strength of character. Love but never hate. Truthfulness. Live in present. Thus, the principles of Mahatma Gandhi are valid today, but not every time. Mahatma Gandhi was the leader of India. non-violent independence movement against British rule, and in South Africa who advocated for the civil rights of Indians. On 30th January 1948, Gandhiji was shot by the Hindu fanatic Nathuram Godse. On that day, India had not lost only Bapu, but a political hero of our country. Thank you. Do not forget to press the like button, share my video, and subscribe.